Hi everyone, in this clip, in a short time, I will tell you the method, a very straightforward one, to make your game screen split. In front of you, the game is already split into 4 tiny screens, and I will start over to show you how easy it is to make it done. Okay, so I'll just delete all of the cameras. I'm going to show you only how to do it with 2 cameras because the rest gonna be the same. I don't want this clip to be long. So first, I create a new camera. I put it inside this character so that I can adjust its position easily. Oh, should be higher, maybe a little bit backward. We can do like this, it's easier. Okay. Now we have the camera for the first player. Just name it camera 1. And I will create another camera for the player 2. The position should be the same, so I will just copy the values of the position and rotation, paste it. Okay, and to camera 2. Right now we have 2 cameras, but we only have the visualization of the only one camera, which is the second one. And to make it split, we should focus here, the viewport rect, which basically means how do you want this picture taken by this camera to be shown on your screen. Right now, the camera 2, it starts at X, means X0, which means the left edge of the whole screen. Y equal to 0, which means the bottom. That's where it starts. And the width 1 means full screen. H1 means full screen. And I wanted to share only the half of the screen for player 2. So I will change the height from 1 to 0.5. And you see what's happening. We will do the same for the camera of the first player, but different values. Because this one should start from the middle horizontally. The horizontal line of the first camera should be in the middle, so Y value should be 0.5 and the height should be 0.5 too. Okay, and that's all. Thanks for watching. See you next time.